This is to show everybody how to turn off the seatbelt warning light without anything major. As you can see, my seatbelt is not plugged in. The warning light is off. Mind my hack job custom carpets. I'm not done. The floor is, this is way too low. So this is all down too far and it's all screwed up. But anyway, what I did was go under here and you find, okay, I can't fit my hand under there while I'm got the phone in my hand. See this right here? All I did was take a little like paper clip and cut it, put it inside that clip. That clip plugs in underneath the pink tape, and that goes up to your seat belt plug over here. This little, mind the filth. This is a used car. I just got it, and I've been cleaning the shit out of it. But yeah, that's a wire, and it goes inside of here, and that's how you turn off the warning light. Stay safe.